In Africa, we found the roots of our species in an environment that fed and nourished us. The plants, the animals, and the conditions that gave birth to humanity.
We were constructed this crucible, this DNA recipe that expects certain behaviors, and now we've created a society and technology that takes a lot of that away. How do we re-access that?
Humanity has entered a unique point in history, what many are terming the Anthropocene, where humans are the dominant species on the planet.
We have extracted ourselves from natural conditions, and we have filled our life with chemicals.
It's a whole different world now. We're up to 74 billion pounds of chemicals being produced or imported into the United States every single day.
We need to look at the current health of our planet in order to understand what is happening in our own bodies.
We're poisoning ourselves, we're poisoning the environment, we're getting fat, sick, tired, and depressed, and more unhealthy by the decade.
We're standing in the middle of the biggest health crisis in the history of our human species.
And it's happening because of the food that we're eating.
Food is medicine, or food is poison.
You are making yourself unwell.
Look around, everybody's sick.
If you look at evolution and you look at how we ate for 2.5 million years, it worked that long. It's not working now. Let's go back to the way it was.
Getting our relationship right with the earth starts with the life inside of us.
It's normal and healthy to be able to reproduce.
An animal that cannot reproduce in nature is in trouble.
And when 1 in 8 of us doesn't have enough health to reproduce, that is a terrifying data point.
Is it nature naturally controlling the overgrowth of a species, or are we missing something?
It's not man versus nature. We are nature. It's who we are. It's where we come from.
We have a massive responsibility. Yes, we're incredibly intelligent. Yes, we can manipulate the entire planet with our mind. I think we need to consider what the planet really is. The planet is an ecosystem of life, and we are part of that ecosystem.
The question now becomes, how can we prosper on this living, breathing planet of ours and not burn her down? In order to fully understand this, there's only one place to go: back to our origins.